I'm so pissed right now because you know what? I didn't have high expectations, but I had something. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today is going to be a final review on this lovely let me stop fucking laughing and lying. This is not a lovely hair review video, okay? So sorry if I'm I'm just trying to go to my YouTube and see when did I purchase this hair. Give me one moment, please. Thank you. Now, it says very pretty when you tame it. I don't know if you guys can see, but the back of my neck is like tangled. Like, it's freaking tangled. How am I supposed to go on vacation with this hair? I don't even know now. Because I was going to wear this hair for vacation in the next 2 months. But how? I'm going to get in the water. It's beautiful. The curls are beautiful. You understand? That's what's beautiful about this hair. Sorry guys, I'm extremely hot. Like, let me see. Let me show you rather. Just to really take my time and do my curls. They will be way more popping than this. But let me show you what I got just from, like, look at this. Like, look at that. This is for me just from just now putting water in my hair. That, like, the amount of hair that's in my toilet right now, you guys have to do so much better. And what I hate is all the YouTube people who bought this hair and was like, this hair is so freaking beautiful, it doesn't shine, it doesn't this, it doesn't that. Listen, I've never had curly hair. This is my first time dealing with curly hair like this, and the only thing I can say is that when making this unit, I have a few gaps in between because I believe that you need 5 bundles to create a flawless full look. 4 bundles is dope. Me, I like a lot of hair. I'm trying to see if I can show you. This hair is pretty long. This hair, it looks beautiful because I know how to tame it. I have to tame, if I'm going outside, I have to tame my hair. Like, I always tame my hair. I can't just go outside and my hair look crazy. Like, I have to tame my hair every day. When I go out, my hair looks beautiful. Like, I did a twig test twice in this hair. I will insert some clips of what my hair looked like when I went to the club and stuff like that. So, you know, it's very beautiful. When I detangle this hair, it's just, I don't know. Oh my god. So much hair is coming out. Now I cut my wefts with every unit. So this is not my first rodeo. Yeah, so by this time I should know how to cut my wefts, right? I've been doing my own wigs for almost a year now. And like, come on sis, come on. Now I make this hair look pretty because I know how to deal with hair. You know, like, I know how to do my own hair now. You know, I do my own wigs. I don't do sew-ins anymore because it's not a... I don't do sew-ins for my own personal reasons. It puts a lot of stress on my head and stuff like that. But, oh, this highlight though. Yeah, so today I just did the little baby hair situation, which I think is really pretty. Like, if I'm going to show you like how I really like tame this hair, like not tame it but show you how pretty it can look. These are the ends. I feel like cutting this, oh my god, like I feel like if you do not moisturize, like look at this, it's hard, like not hard, but it's not as soft as when I first got it. I'm gonna put some more water on this side because I feel like this side is not as down. Or is that the background? Yeah, must be the picture because the picture is black and I keep looking over there. So yeah, this hair is crazy. Like, I have a love-hate relationship with this hair. You guys know I love curly hair. I just haven't dealt with curly hair like this before, other than my loose wave hair. It does look good when it dries, like after you put your water and your jelly or whatever your cream you have to make this look what it is. Like, I'm not gonna say, you know, you get what you pay for. I forgot how much I paid for this. I want to say under $200. I'm not even sure. Or honesty, it might have been over $200. It might have not been over $200. But I will put that, whatever the price was, in the description box. And that's all I have to say for this hair. This closure though, like, took the bleach very well. And I have on a cap underneath. That's all I really have to say about this hair, is that it tangles and it shreds. It's pretty, like, I'm not gonna lie, it's very pretty. When you tame it, it can be tamed. Let me know if I'm the reason why this hair looks like not look like this, but am I the reason why it's shedding? What can I do to stop shedding the next time? You understand? Like, what can I do? I don't walk around and hair's just everywhere, but when I wanna, now I don't just finger comb my hair all day because it is curls. Like, it's not body weight. You understand? It is curls. I could just tell you that it's not as soft as it used to be. I had this hair for almost a month, so it's not as soft as it used to be, but it is very beautiful. You understand? So yeah, that's all I really have to say. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely post more videos. I know I've been MIA for personal reasons, but make sure you guys do that. Subscribe, like, my videos are popping, and you know, so adios.